How's your summer days going? In today's video, I'll be telling you how to get ready for an exciting camping trip. This is a very good video for beginners and people who struggle in packing for trips like this. So first off, we'll start with the sleeping pads. So basically, there are like two types of sleeping pads. If you're going in like hot days, you expect like higher temperature, I would recommend this gray one with R value of 2.6. And if you expect freezing temperatures or cold temperatures and you want like a more warm environment, then I'd recommend these two. These are two different sizes. R value 4.6, best for freezing temperature camping. And of course, with the sleeping bag, you need a sleeping bag, and the different types of sleeping bag: the regular fit and mummy fit. This sleeping bag is 25 Fahrenheit and varies. This varies between which type you want. Like, if you're going into colder, you will need less Fahrenheit one, so it'll be actually more warmer. And if you're going in warmer places, you should get like maybe 30, 40. And of course, you're going to need the tent, and there are different types of tent, different person. There are different types also, like pop-up tent, easy pitch. And this is an 8-person one with a screen front. And then this, you're going to need to put under your tent. This is a tarp, prevents moisture from coming from under your tent because you don't want the floor to be like wet. You can find this on Amazon, and they're not that expensive. So next, we're gonna go for the lights. You always need the lights in a camping trip. This is the lantern. You can use it in the tent. They have 2 torches with it, which work fine. You could put batteries, or they can charge. And then there's headlights. So we do have headlights. They're best for like if you're going to the bathroom, hiking in the night, watching the night sky. This is good. And just remember, don't turn it on when you're there because you'll have a good view. And if you're like reading books, this is a good flashlight. 3 different levels. Click it with your book and boom, you're done. And you can also find this very easily on Amazon. Next is food. So food, I would recommend mesh kits because disposables, you're not going to have to take too much. So that's number 1, space. Number 2, you're going to use them so much, so a lot of trash to take care of. So I would recommend mesh bags and mesh kit. Then there's the stove. You can use stoves to cook your food. There are different types. This is a Coleman one, and it's a very good one. It lasts for very long, as you can see. It also you're gonna need to attach it with a propane, and this has space for 2 pots or like pans or anything. And along with this, you're going to need the propane. The one we have is also the Coleman propane. You just need to attach the knob there. And you should be good. Make sure you get one that's filled. And make sure do not shake this thing because next is storage, very important topic. So over here we have the packing cubes. Keep you very organized. You can pack 1-day trip in one. It fits a lot of stuff. It's best to use the rolling method you can fit because it takes most minimum space ever. And they're different sizes: small, large, medium, and extra large. And we got these from Amazon. They were very useful in our trips in the past. And then after that, we got vacuum bags. So if you need to keep your stuff like summer, you got jackets just hanging in the closet, you should use these vacuum bags. They're different types. One is the rolling way, and one is the pump. It's not necessary to get these because there are many types. But this one, we use this pump. We just need to pump the air after opening that cap. And it makes the things pretty compact. You can store them. And to save space if you're going on a trip, of course, you can use these. Next, we got hiking. So in hiking, you're going to need to stay pretty hydrated. I get dehydrated pretty easily. So this one has a lock. This is Camelback, got it from Amazon, and it's insulated. I tested it out. It works pretty good. Next, you're going to need to have hiking sticks. Like if you're going in the narrows, this option is the best because the pole of this will extend out and you don't know how deep the water is or anything. And if it's like too small, they can always extend it, like if you become taller or shorter, anything. This comes in 2 bags. Got this from the Columbia store. Next is the string bag. So this is the scouting one. We got it from the scouting shop for $30. This one, I would recommend the one with a clip so it doesn't put all the weight on your shoulders. It'll put some on your chest. And this is very spacious. It has a side zipper, a lot of space inside. You can put your water bottle, hats, and other things. Next is the hats. This is a pea cap for like regular day trips, like you're just going here and there. Like, it's also a good option. Some people don't like summer hats, but this is the summer hat. I'd recommend the one that has mesh on it because it's best for air circulation. But also, you would also need this string. So the string is very, 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 very useful because you can always adjust the size. This is also Columbia, but unfortunately we weren't able to find this at the Columbia store. We got this online. This might be available at your local Columbia store. Next, a very important topic is the backpack. So the different types of backpacks, like, the ones you take to school, the ones you take to office, the ones you take on regular day trips, the one you just use for like going in the car. So this one is very good for storage. You can store it, it turns into just a small pocket. You just need to open it, roll it out, and close the zipper, and boom, you got your bag there. This has 3 pockets, the 3 like main pockets, and then another hidden pocket is the one that's over the Zomake sign. We got this from Amazon, company name Zomake. This has 2 water bottle holders on each side, and this also has a clip. To close this, exactly opposite. Open the zip, close it, flip it over, fold this, roll it up, put it in the pocket, and you stuff it in the pocket, put the straps in, and zip it. So there, we have this bag zipped. Very compact to store, as you can see. Reminder, I got this from Amazon, company name Zomake. So, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe, like, and we should see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Have a good day.